Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to talk about two products created by Fierce Hazel, a brand that makes sustainable, durable and highly functional bags by using fabric remnants and factory deadstock. Fierce Hazel is a brand for those who love adventures, for those who are not afraid of getting some dirt on their hands, for those who want to explore the world. It's a brand created by a cyclist who is passionate about protecting the environment and for creating simple, durable and highly functional products like the Evolution Convertible Backpack and Echelon Pouch. Now let's take a look at them. Starting with the Evolution Convertible Backpack. Okay, yes, this is quite a compact backpack, and if I have to be honest, I expect it to be a little bit bigger. That said, I'm interested to see how many things I can fit in it before I say too much. Let's find out! Not bad! Honestly, that is super convenient to be able to fit in all of your essentials in such a small and compact backpack. And speaking of convenience, I absolutely love the hook and strap design of the bag, which allows for a maximum wearability so you can easily convert the bag to a backpack, lowrider, crossbody bag or a sling. But as I said in the beginning, this is a backpack made for those who love the outdoors, and you can tell this by the materials they have used for the make of this bag. Okay, so what is my final verdict on this backpack? Well, I think that if you're an outdoor person who is already used to carrying only the most essential things with you and you're looking for a stylish, environmentally friendly and durable backpack, I think this one has it all for you. I mean, it's a very well built bag that will probably last you a lifetime. I don't know, it just feels like it, you know, it's a high quality product. So yeah, I definitely like it. As for the price, it costs $139, and yes, it's a bit pricey, but do bear in mind that as an environmentally conscious company, Fierce Hazel only manufactures a small amount of products at once to keep their waste to a minimum. Moving on to the Echelon All-Conditions Ride Pouch. The Echelon pouch is basically slim, ultra light and weatherproof pocket organizer made by using factory deadstock. Personally, I'm not a cyclist, but I can definitely see how this could add quite a lot of value to cyclists out there.
I mean, you put in your phone, a bit of cash, a couple of band-aids just in case, a tissue.
And you're all set? You're ready to ride? Very simple and yet quite useful product, I think. The only thing I'm missing is some kind of a cushioning or shock protection, you know, in case you drop your pouch so that something protects your phone. But besides that, I think it's a really nice, very neat product. To find out more about Fierce Hazel, visit their website, a link in the description below where you can find out more about the brand and explore their range of products. From me, Stefan Dimov and Project Caritas, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!